Today we're making a Shamrock Shake. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're making something which is so easy and so St. Patrick's Day, and it's going to be, oh, it's just so simple. Alright, we are making this Shamrock Shake, and you can, depending upon how much of this you want to do yourself, all my ingredients, of course, are listed down below. But I am using my oat milk. You can use oat milk, you can use heavy cream, you can use whatever kind of milk you wish to use. And then ice cream. You can make your own ice cream. You want to click that eye in the sky, it'll teach you how to make ice cream. It's also listed down below in the description when I made no churn ice cream. But this is ice cream. You can add as much or as little as you want. Try not to do that. And then this, it's actually creme de menthe. Now, I did make my own creme de menthe. Hit that eye in the sky, it'll teach you how to make your own creme de menthe. Buy it, or you can also use peppermint extract. That's one of the things which you can use instead of creme de menthe. Just depends what you have. Add that to the blender. Now let's blend until it's a nice thick mix. Once it's blended, then you have a choice. You can go with it just like it is, or you can add 1 or 2 drops, or 3, depending on how much green you want, of food coloring. Because this is St. Patrick's Day, we're going to go with the food coloring. Once everything is blended, I'm going to pour it into a glass. Now, you absolutely can leave out the food coloring. Nothing says that you have to use food coloring. Normally I wouldn't, but I do have to take pictures of this, and I want everybody to realize that it's for St. Patrick's Day. But let's give this a taste. It's really good. It is. It's minty. It's smooth. That is really good. I'm actually surprised at how good this is. It's so simple. You can up the recipe to feed more than you. You can make the recipe any size. You can add extra vanilla ice cream. You can add mint chocolate chip ice cream, whatever. But yeah, this is a wonderful, wonderful St. Patrick's Day treat. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Hope we get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.